Hello everyone, I'm Tanishka Gupta and I'm from Kolkata. Recently, I have completed my 1 month internship at Abhyaz as a HR executive intern.
Hi everyone, I'm Pawan Kumar. I recently completed my internship at Software Executive Intern at Abhyaz.
So, during internship, I explored tools like Zoho Recruit, Zoho Show, Zoho Campaign, Zoho Writer, Zoho Survey, and many more.
I had the chance to work on SaaS-based systems, especially focusing on HR techs, automation using Zoho People and Zoho Payroll.
The roles and responsibility which I performed during my internship are sending offer letter, publishing job, managing evaluation and assessment, sending email campaign, conducting live support session, etc.
The internship gave me a real exposure to business processes, automations, and how SaaS tools can be used as HR operation smoother and more efficient. For anyone looking for interns at Abhyas, I'd say go for it.
Now to the future intern, I suggest give your best, learn from every task and stay open to the feedback.
Gain hands-on experience, learn to work with real tools and get the guidance you need to grow professionally and personally. It's been truly a rewarding journey for me and I'm grateful for the opportunity. Thank you.
Lastly, I want to say thank you to my mentor Upasna ma'am and all my team members for supporting me and guiding me throughout this journey. Thank you.